This is the Hydrangea Artificial Flowers Set, a six-piece collection designed to bring a fresh, decorative touch to your space without the need for maintenance. Each stem is about 26 inches long, giving you a nice height for vases, centerpieces, or floor arrangements. With 18 full bloom heads in total, the arrangement looks full and visually appealing right out of the box. The flowers are designed to look realistic, with soft petals and natural-looking colors that work well for spring and summer decor. They're a great way to add a pop of color to areas like your kitchen, dining table, living room, or even an office. I like that they're easy to style. You can arrange them all together for a fuller bouquet or separate them into different vases around your home. Since they're artificial, there's no watering or upkeep required, and they'll keep their look over time. That makes them especially convenient for busy spaces or event setups like parties. If you're looking for a simple way to brighten up your home with long-lasting floral decor,